Here's another Queen City confession.
Yeah.
I figured out my husband when he's lying. Every time I bring up something uncomfortable, he suddenly goes into a coughing fit. At first, I thought it was just nerves or allergies or something, but now I'm convinced it's his go to move when he's lying and needs time to come up with an answer. And now I can't unsee it. So this weekend, I'm planning on confronting him about something I've suspected for a while. If he starts coughing, I'll know exactly what that means.